guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PHOTOPEA. Welcome to the channel where we talk about the designing in the Photoshop, Illustrator, PHOTOPEA, Canva, everything about the designing on this channel. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're really interested in designing, then consider subscribing. If you are not new here, you have been watching my channel so far, thank you so much for supporting me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the PHOTOPEA because I've already made a video talking about the PHOTOPEA because I never use personally the PHOTOPEA, but I've seen a lot of the people using the PHOTOPEA in the online space, and they are saying that the PHOTOPEA could be a great free alternative for the Photoshop. So that's why I made that video about reviewing the PHOTOPEA. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above if you're completely new and you don't know about the PHOTOPEA. But well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to be actually doing in front of you and using whether you can use the PHOTOPEA in your mobile or not, because in that video I have shown you the desktop version of the PHOTOPEA. In today's video we will going to go into the mobile version of the PHOTOPEA and we will going to make something on the PHOTOPEA, and we will going to see whether you can actually use all the functions of the PHOTOPEA in the mobile version or not, or you have to have a desktop version, because I think that people do use a lot of the mobile instead of the desktop. And if we see that some of the applications or some of the softwares are more mobile friendly, then we would very well prefer to use them in the mobile version instead of the desktop. I personally do that, and I feel like if some software do have their mobile application, I would love to use them because of their mobile function, and I love to have my mobile working instead of my laptop working because I find it more convenient. So hopefully it would be convenient for you as well. And let's begin with today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I truly appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We upload new video every single week, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Let's talk about the PHOTOPEA. Sharing my screen with you guys over my mobile screen over here. And I have an Android mobile phone. I don't know about the iPhone, how it actually works in the iTunes or iPhone. I'm not sure about it. I have an Android phone. I have a Samsung Android phone. So I'm going to be sharing my mobile screen over here, and we will going to together look forward the mobile version of the PHOTOPEA. Add a home screen shortcut for this website. Like it's mentioning you over here, you can add a home screen shortcut for this website, and I personally did that. I have added this particular application as a home screen on my mobile application desktop. So I'm going to quickly go into that shortcut over that I'm having in my mobile phone. So I'm just going to go out of this one and we're going to quickly go into the shortcut that I have. This is the PHOTOPEA. Let me just click over here. You could see the screen of the PHOTOPEA actually look like when you're having a shortcut screen or the shortcut home screen or your mobile phone. You could see we are having the same screen as we used to see in our desktop version. The screen looks like the similar. I mean, you could see you have a lot of the options over here, like the file options, and a lot more options is there. You can quickly go over that and you can use that. Now for this purpose, I'm going to be using my stylus. Now this stylus I've already mentioned in my video, in my previous video where I was talking about using IPS paint. In that I've been using this particular stylus. If you want a stylus, then make sure you just Amazon it or you can simply Google it and find the Amazon, some kind of stylus in the Amazon space. I purchased it from the Amazon. If you have an Apple Pencil, then you can very well use that one as well. I guess for the few bucks on Amazon, it's quite affordable, and I think it's worked fine because I don't make that much of the digital artwork, so that's why it worked fine for me. But if you make a lot of them, then you obviously had to need a lot of them. Anyways, so you could see it looked like the similar as it used to look like in the desktop version. So let's dive in. So I'm going to quickly go over to the file option. You're going to see new, open more. You can do whatever you do. I'm just going to click over to the new option. And here we are having a new project. You can choose a size and dimension. We will going to make something in the PHOTOPEA for this particular tutorial to see actually this PHOTOPEA version works in the mobile or not, whether you can use it or you have to just have a desktop version. Anyway, guys, so you could see name new project. So we can name it as a new project, or we can name it as a new as well. I mean, you can name it the way you want to. The size, I'm going to choosing the size over here as 2000 by 2000 pixels. I mean, that's what is coming in my mind. You can choose it whatever you want to. Then you are having it in the pixels, percent, millimeters, inches, I think is in the pixels. Then you can choose as a DPI. It's a 72 DPI right now. So you can choose the DPI over here. The background is white, or either you can choose the social page handle like the Facebook page cover, Facebook shared image, Facebook event image, or you can just select the print. You can, the different size of the print is that, like the A4 size, A3 size, you can select that. You can select the photo, the wallet and print. You can select the screens, the VGA, HD and all those screens. You can select the mobile version, the iPhones and Samsung and everything is there. But I think I'm gonna just do it my custom size only. That's a 2000 by 2000 pixels. I think I'm happy with that. Just click on the create. So here we are. Now you could see it's pretty much looking the same as in the desktop version. It's just that it's been squeezed a bit like that in the vertical direction to actually accumulate the mobile screen. This look very much pretty much similar to the desktop version. Nothing has been changed. Now this layer has been locked. I mean, you can unlock it. Now you could see this is the shape tool. So you have the shape path pixels and you have the different shapes. I mean, this section is just like that. You have to just slide it over here to use this particular section. Let me just slide it over here so you could see the new layers, corner radius, and everything is there. Fine. And this is the line. Then let me see some other tools, the blend mode. So you could see when I'm choosing the shape tool, the rectangle. So let me make some design out of it. Okay. So I'm just going to choose an ellipse over here. It's a black in color. Fine. It's working pretty fine. Fine. Then I can use some other tool over here too. And I'm going to type, you could see the font over here. Let's just take any kind of font over here. Let me just take this one. Fine. I'm going to type over here. Okay, it's the color is black. So I need to change the color of the font as well. It's black. That's why it's not visible over here. So I think I need to change the color. So I'm going to take it as a white because we are typing in the... This is not really white. This is a... Okay, this one is white. Fine. Okay. Now let's just type over here. Where we are typing, man? I'm not sure where it's typing. The size is this one. So I'll just choose once more. Okay, here the size is way more smaller. So I need to increase the size. You can see the letters. Fine, then I'm going to use this tool and I'm going to bring these letters over here. So, okay. So I'm going to keep it like this and I'm going to actually edit this. So I'm going to take the text tool again. And I'm going to be writing something over here. Or let me just write happy birthday. I mean, that's more apt. Or let me just bring it back and give the space. Okay, it's looking like this. Let me just use this one. Now it's coming in the center. But you could see the wrap is there. Okay, I think it's apt. So you could see happy birthday. Let me just take the arrow and you can arrange this happy birthday a little bit over here. And then I'm gonna bring some different shapes, maybe a star. So I need to change the color of the star. I mean, what's the color of the star? Right now it's the black, so I'm gonna bring it blue one. And I'm gonna be dragging some stars over here. No, this is not really a star. Let me see the shape. Shape is a path. Let me just undo that. Bring it over here one more. Yeah guys, you can very well use the mobile version of this particular Photopea and it works pretty amazing. It's quite simple design that I'm making, but I think I pretty much love this particular one. And let me see more tools over here. Where are the layers? These are the layers that I'm working on, guys. So you could see all the tools have been squeezed. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the last experiment with this one. And then we were going to wrap up with the video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some other shape. Let me just take some other shape, custom shape. So let me just select it. It's a little bit different. I mean, you have to do that. So it's fraying. Let me choose the shape. So it's loading. It's taking a little bit more time. Okay, wow. So we have a lot more shapes over here. That's amazing. Photoshop has a less shapes than this one. So we can use any shape which we want to. Let me see which one I'm going to use. I'm gonna choose this one, like my video. And then I'm gonna see the color. What is the color? The color is the blue. So I'm gonna select the red one. And I'm gonna bring this one, like my video. It's looking pretty amazing, isn't it, guys? And I'm gonna bring one more over here, like my video. So happy birthday, like my video. That's pretty much fun. That's quite interesting. Then if I want to save the file, then I can very well save it as a PSD or save more. I can save PSD to storage, save PSD, or even I can export it as whatever file format you want. I can export it as the PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, GIF, and what's more. Wow. So you're getting a lot of the file format that you can save in the mobile version as well. So you don't need to go into the desktop version. I think that the mobile version works pretty fine. And you can work with the mobile version if you don't want to go with the desktop version. And you can make a little bit more of the hours over here. And you can choose whatever file format you want to save in, whatever it is. I'm going to select the JPEG. Let's save it, and boom, we are done with that. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video of working with the PHOTOPEA and the mobile application. It was really fun. I just made a small image based like happy birthday, adding the few figures and few shapes and few text here and there. It was really interesting, really fun to work on this particular project, this particular tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you using the PHOTOPEA for your own designs or for your own hours or not? I would really love to hear from you. But that's it for today's video, guys. And let me know if you want more videos about the PHOTOPEA, what kind of stuff I can make on the PHOTOPEA, because I'm still new to the PHOTOPEA. I'm not a pro at that. I'm a beginner at that because I don't use it. I first time used it in that previous video when I was reviewing the PHOTOPEA. So this just my few steps that I'm using in the PHOTOPEA. So let me know if you want the kind of the tutorial, and let me know what kind of designing tutorial you want me to. Let me know in the comment section below, whether it's a Canva, whether it's a Photoshop or a Crello or whatever for software look like. Even if I'm not using one, I would be giving the test drive and I'm gonna be reviewing that particular software. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and what do you want any kind of video. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.